DotNetBrowser is a WebKit control for C# WPF and Windows Forms applications. The window you can see is version 1.12 of the DotNetBrowser WPF demo application. This version is based on version 60 of the Chromium Engine. HTML5test.com is loaded in the app. This website shows how well the WebBrowser supports the HTML5 standard and the related specifications. As you can see, DotNetBrowser supports almost all the features and aspects of the HTML5 standard. DotNetBrowser allows you to embed a Chromium-based browser into a .NET application. In this tutorial, I would like to give you an overview of this library. Now you can see the official website of the DotNetBrowser library, which is displayed inside the WPF application. DotNetBrowser is based on the Chromium Engine, so it displays web pages with HTML5 and CSS3 properly, unlike the default WebBrowser component. DotNetBrowser has a lot of built-in features, almost all of which can be customized to suit your needs. You can find a list of some features by clicking the gear button in the right top corner of the application. DotNetBrowser allows you to interact with the JavaScript side. You can see the open JavaScript console and the JavaScript evaluation results. You can easily obtain the whole HTML code of a page by calling a single method. Now you can see the HTML code of the github.com website. There is a built-in capability of using the basic browser commands like text selection, text search, cutting, copying, and so on. In DotNetBrowser, you can also control the behavior of pop-up windows. The web page you see is intended for pop-up testing. DotNetBrowser lets you control file download and upload processes. Also, you can use JavaScript dialog windows like prompts, alerts, or confirmations. This includes default implementation and the ability to customize the behavior of the dialogs. DotNetBrowser has a built-in capability to display and save PDF documents. DotNetBrowser supports the playback of HTML5 videos. Also, there's a built-in full-screen handler. You can control the zoom by setting the zoom level, or by using the predefined zoom in, zoom out, and set actual size functions. DotNetBrowser allows you to modify proxy settings on the fly by specifying the custom proxy rules or downloading a PAC-file. And here is the functionality for printing web pages. Now you can see the printing process using the default XPS printer and the resulting OXPS file. The basic demo application does not fully demonstrate everything DotNetBrowser can do, so let's take a look at some demo projects. Please note that you need to place a valid DotNetBrowser license to be able to run the project in the solution. Now you can see the source code of the main window of the app, which I used in the first part of this video. DotNetBrowser lets you simulate user input events like mouse clicks, scrolling, typing from a keyboard, or clicking on DOM nodes. Let's mark the DOMSimulateClickSample project as the startup project. The source code of Form 1 demonstrates how to simulate a mouse click on an HTML button. Right after launching the sample and loading the HTML code, the HTML button clicks should occur. Now let's build and launch this sample. The JavaScriptCSBridgeSample demonstrates how to inject a .NET object into JavaScript code. In its source code, you can see that the JavaScript code uses the .NET object which was injected into the JavaScript side. Now let's take a look at the drag and drop sample. DotNetBrowser lets you control the drag and drop process in the application. You can use drag and drop with any other object in Windows that supports this functionality. It is also possible to extract the data from the dragged object using the iDataObject.com interface. One of the most valuable features of DotNetBrowser is taking screenshots. You can take a screenshot of part of a web page as well as a full page one. It can be done even without displaying the WebBrowser control on your screen. The HTML5 off-screen project demonstrates how to take a full-size screenshot of a web page. DotNetBrowser also supports Windows Forms. There's a separate demo application which uses WinForms. Its functionality is the same as in the WPF demo app. This video does not demonstrate the full list of features available in DotNetBrowser. You can find more in the DotNetBrowser sample solution. Also, DotNetBrowser has very extensive documentation and support. You can find the links under this video. Thanks for watching!